Alrighty. Yes. So I'm standing by the entrance door. So entrance door right here. So come right in. All right. So based on with floor plan and stuff. So basically, we're supposed to have a breakfast table somewhere right there. And based on the fact that the entertainment is right there, the seating area would have to be somewhere in this area, like right here. Right? Based on the current setup, the sitting area would have to be right by the entrance there, so you can get good visibility. So you can basically,
it should have to be
so
right
you can
here.
basically see TV.
It should have to be right here.
Right.
And this is the breakfast counter right here.
Uh-huh.
So this is the center of it. That means that come out some more with stools and them things there. And then you have the couch, which this wall right here that we had initially thought would be our entertainment center is just over a little bit too much. Too close to the kitchen. And it's just not sitting too well with me.
Because if you put the couch right there, it's basically will be in the doorway.
And then envision
basically.
this. Right? You have to have scenarios, you know. So envision Adrian and his friends sitting down here watching football, and the goal I go score. And the same time the goal score, me bust the door open with the two people them walk come in with the back. And I open the walk in between them. Right? And the TV, which is not necessarily a good thing. Right? You want to have the passageway, the entranceway outside of the conversation or the entertainment area. The conversation
Like,
area ideally.
Yes, remember this. Ideally. But we don't live in a perfect world and we have a situation we have to work with. So guys, so this is kind of why I am a little bit annoyed in a sense, right? Because how far where I come from with this thing, yeah? Far where I come from with this thing, and at this point now, she bringing this thing to me, in which I understand.
It's a perfect time.
But it not be perfect as to where you would have ultimately want or whatever, because we have to work with the situation based on the flow we have. But because I know let me say what I said no please, because I know we never have ultimate luxury in terms of where we place the entrance door, and based on how it is set up. So based on that, we have limitation we have to work on. That's the thing with construction. Yeah, you want something perfect or you have an ideal thing where you don't want, but you have your space where you have to work with and you have to try and make it work as best as possible. So
that's why
so bear that in mind. Yeah.
That's why I'm saying I better we change it now when we can than wait until later when we say it really. If we wait until later, we have a really say it cannot work with what we're doing over there, so and this like I said now work.
Alright, so change it to tell us. Guys,
this is the idea.
We want some help. We literally need some help. We need we need to hear from you in the comments.
Yes.
We need to hear from you in the comments, guys. It's important. Please help us.
So visualize with us. Remember now, the window and the door won't be here. It's gonna be one blank wall. We have this space over here and all right here. So this is the thought that came to me. We need to make this area the entertainment and conversation area. So we have the couch placed right here. We have couch, 2 accent chairs. We have the TV on this wall. The couch where? The couch, I'm thinking we could place either the long piece this way to the back, because I didn't know.
Is that left hand? And then the next thing we have to mention too is.
We've already selected our
so we select the piece already.
We don't have access.
Is that what you call it? Oh, you call it a sectional.
Yes.
Is a sectional?
It's a sectional. So the sectional we can. Oh, we look again. I don't even remember how we look, you know.
The L shape.
The L shape.
L shape, yeah.
So I'm thinking that we need to basically put the chair, align the chair in this area. Right here, so, and put the TV on this wall. So how we're gonna align the chairs is gonna be an issue. We can put the accent chairs right here and right there, and then have the sectional in this section. Or we can put the sectional right here and then put another piece of furniture at the back of it right there.
Alright, so
we can do like a tea station right here. We can do a tea station.
Another thing is because the breakfast table
Exactly.
Basically, the breakfast counter are gonna come out this way. So we don't have luxury if we put it anywhere we want.
Sit here. This is how we spot it.
You get me?
So what I'm saying is, if it is placed over there, so we have the entrance way where persons can come in and can deposit them stuff they want in the kitchen, put down them bag while the conversation is going on over there, so on TV I watch and it's not disturbed. We can have all this space over here. You can be working in the kitchen and you can still watch the television. What I would say I would do is put a nice little wall filler over this side. I was thinking something with a light. You know the LED lights, correct me here, because I don't know the proper word for them. But you know the strips that go around, we put something in a box on the wall, put a nice little painting in it, and put lights in it with the LED lights going around, and a nice little feature would be in the place. I mean, if we had money, we could do like a little waterfall effect, something that's sweet.
Yeah, true.
But again, we are working with money.
Limited. Talk about budget. Work on a budget.
Yeah, we're working on a budget because trust me, we have been telling you guys how much what and what cost, but we are giving you like initial run through of everything. We have to define Gary back. Okay.
Yeah.
We are gonna give you an initial run through of what everything. Like it's mad expensive. It is so
super expensive. And millions we are talking about right there, so millions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This can't even end. And after you're done, you have to go furnish this. So, anyways, so this is what I'm saying. I think it's best now if we move it over to this one, and we can still put a workstation over that section, or the workstation could come right here, so.
Probably over here.
Because we are gonna have, think about this, it's gonna be a good amount of space. I do like the fact that we have a lot more space. Like the house that we live in now, this far bigger than the house that we live in now.
True.
This area.
This is like probably 400 square feet bigger than,
Yeah.
No, it's probably 340 square feet bigger.
Yeah, so we can actually do a lot with the space.
Yeah.
So I just want us, even though it would be nice if we had initially thought about it because the electrician start putting this, but this can easily flash up back.
Yeah,
and then put over here, so now.
Yeah.
But if we wait until when them sit me and put up over the wall there, and then we have to go dig up at the wall here and put stuff over there, I better we do it now. Better we do it now. Do you?
Why are you giving me the tape, man? You have to dry your tape.
Me have to dry my tape?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to dry your tape. Alright, so we're over here. The couch, what we are consider, right?
Is what, 95?
95 inches. The couch we are consider 95 inches. So she have to measure, come across from right here, so to see if it can fit. Right? Alright, so
95.
somewhere right here, so from like right here.
Yeah.
To 95, right there, so?
Yeah, I'm on there.
Alright, so can come back a little bit. So we'd have placed it somewhere right here.
Yeah.
Back again. Put it like right there, so?
Carry it up some more. Carry it up a little.
Right here.
Right there, so.
Yeah, like right here. So the couch will be placed right here. And the TV face with that way there.
Make it good for you, know?
Yeah, hold on. Come in, star boy. Girl, them sugar, come in. Yeah, like right here, so. So, what would happen is now, going forward, so basically guys, so when you enter, right, just the grand idea, you know, if you walk around the couch, or whatever, so now the couch will be over there. Now the couch will go over there, so, so you just walk straight in, if you have a kitchen, you walk straight past right here, so, and then, you turn the corner, because this will be like the back of the couch. You turn the corner, the breakfast table will be right here, by the way. Right? Right here. So you literally come straight, then you turn the corner, and go where you go. Go that way. And as what Cass wants to establish is you have a sitting here over there undisturbed.
Yeah.
Right? Totally in agreement.
Yeah.
You see, so just we get the electrician.
Change all the way.
So we can make him take out one of the plug, leave back one. So one can stay over there, so step forward the cord. So one can stay and then move one for join with one over there so and board go up for the TV up ahead. Up.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, so yeah. So that's the change.
That's the change.
That's the change.
Yeah. And then we're gonna have, because we were initially saying we want to have like a little workstation. So the
In fact, you know, say, guess what? We did put the light over there, so.
Yes.
But what can happen now?
Like, this can't stay still.
It can't stay because the TV are right there.
Yeah, so we have to go move this.
I think.
Put it, this way I put it over there, so. What is that?
No, you know, say no matter because in our front Airbnb, the TV they right under the lights here, you know, and it don't really make a difference. Right in there, yeah, that's how it is. But we can put the light right here. So like how the trench don't dig right here, so. But the switch. So you can literally there's a trench already, so you can dig up a couple more inches to put the light right in there, and run the pipe to the breaker. The breaker right around the corner, and the switch right across the room.
Yeah.
For the light over there, so. You know, so right over there, the switch is over there, so it can work. It can work. It definitely can work. All right. So as I was saying, right. So this is a good teachable moment, you see me, I say, for us and for you too, as well, where you gotta think about carefully what you're gonna do. Look over the work. Yeah. You get me, I say, ensure, because
on paper it's easy to sit down and say, alright, this on paper. But when you go up now, that's when you can definitely see if there's gonna be errors. And as I was saying to Adrian, I mean, we would have loved if we did tell the electricians they never they have to dig out this over here, so. Yeah. But then I better him change this
from now.
No. Than we wait until when we're done, because enough things we plan for the wall, you know. So I better we change now that it stays so, and then at the end of the day we are gonna have to pay more money to fix it and to put it over there, so because it's not going to work. The space does not work. And as I've always said, we're not good with the measurements. Like you can tell me, it's gonna be 6 this and 6 that. But for me, for it to be more practical for me, give me the measurements and let me draw it down. So that's actually what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna take the measurements and we have an iPhone, so we're gonna actually put it in the notebook section of iPhone, and we're gonna literally draw in the measurements and see what one.
So the couch is a left-hand couch.
Yeah.
So the long part will run this way, and then the next part, you know, the part you can cock up your foot. The long that part that will go out will be on that side. Yeah. So boom, and then we'll probably have a chair maybe somewhere near where Cass is standing.
We're gonna have 2 accent chairs in this area oriented somewhere. So I'm thinking that we're gonna actually try to get probably a bulky accent chair, not a little slim one, but probably something bulky to help to capitalize on the spacing that we're gonna have in the area. But yeah, we're gonna work it out. We're gonna have, hopefully we can get a ottoman too, where we can put in the area. Babe, I want you to penke tape.
No, so tape just stay. I'm a father, hand me down that. Because Byron and she are criticizing. Your tape measure.
I even do something to it, yeah. This is 8 feet exactly. 8 feet exactly.
So we want to do that.
So this is the space that we basically are going to work with. 8 feet. In that area.
Yes, so right there, so.
8 feet.
TV up on the wall right there, so. Yeah, I'll be literally hold the camera for me. Yeah, couch should be right here, TV over there, so good distance. Another seat can be not right here, because the
somewhere over here, so.
But over on the side there, yeah.
Over here, so, and somewhere over this side too. And you have your little ottoman and other stuff right here, so. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
I mean, a change, but.
Yeah. I think it makes sense.
Yeah.
Tell us what you think in the comments, guys. Tell us what you think in the comments.
Yeah.
You get me?
And all y'all interior designers in the comments. Come out now?
Help with.
Strong, please.
Help with. You see me? Give me some ideas about this wall here too. You see me? I say how we can decorate the space. We can know where we're going. Right? Yeah, man. So I know it'll be good too. I mean, if you have a business you want to promote, you know, you sell decor items or whatever, you want, you know, promote the business for, you know, hit us up on the Delprat family on Instagram. The Delprat family on Instagram. Send us a DM over Instagram.
Yeah.
Right? Make us see the items we want to send over and things. You can send them to you and, you know, we decorate up the space and, you know, promote, you know, as well, you know. So
yeah, because some of the time when we're actually looking for decor items, like who knows where to find these small businesses?
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
True.
So me know. Like so let us know where you guys are, what you guys have.
Yeah.
So we can know what.
Yeah, man. DM me on Instagram. The Delprat family over on Instagram.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, I mean, yeah, I think we basically got it figured out. You see me?
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
We won't have any more.
Yeah.
I think this is it though. I think this is like everything else that we've said we wanted actually makes sense in all the areas and it's going on good.
Mm-hmm.
But it's just this one thing that we had to change.
Yeah.
And I better we change it now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep.
I will change it now.
Yeah, guys. So, thanks for watching as always. Is that me I say? Thanks for watching as always.
Yeah. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already.
Yep.
Where are we from? Subscribe, man.
Subscribe.
It helps us and it helps other persons who probably don't know about the Delprat family to get to know us a bit more. Give us a thumbs up because that also helps persons to see our videos a lot more.
Yep.
Turn on your post
notification bell. Put the settings on all, guys.
Yes,
put the settings on all.
Symbol.
Yeah, man. Yep. So, and share the video. Drop a comment. Make you know what you think in the down below. You see what I say? Link us on Instagram if you know, sell decor items. I don't want to promote anything for you know. Link us up on Instagram, no problem with that. Alright guys, so thanks for watching as always. Peace.